Hey guys, Motorcarnut here, and today I'm going to talk about how you can get parts cheaper if they seem expensive in one model or another. Let me explain. Like for instance, you have a Subaru Forester, 2012, so I know from 2011 to 2013, Subaru Forester has a specific crank. Now, if you go look for one online, eBay or the junkyard, when they use their software to tell you which one, they'll say that other ones won't work, or that's the only one you have to use. Perfect example, this crank is from a 2014 Subaru Impreza. Now, you go to the junkyard or you go, to the eBay or whatever like that, they'll say it won't fit. Or you'll have a crank, let's say you have this crank, it's from a Forester and it's like $600. And the Impreza crank is like only $200 or whatever the case may be. And you know you can't use it. What you do is you go, let's say we're talking about Subaru right now, but this applies to any car. Okay, you go to the factory Subaru site to order parts as if you were going to get parts for your car. Factory site, not other sites, not sites that are sponsored by Subaru. Subaru. Okay, then you look in your model. Let's say we have a 2012 Forester X with a 2.5 liter non-turbo. It comes up, let's say it comes up with a code and the ending code is 550, let's just say. Okay, so now what you do, you look on the Subaru page for what models it fits and you click it. And sometimes they have, maybe it'll just be only one car. And sometimes they're gonna have 15 or 30 models that crankshaft fits. And what you do is you look it up and go, okay, I see this Subaru. The good thing is to get the list of what fits. But let's say like you have this Impreza crank and no one says it fits. And you look on Subaru's list on their site and it says 2014 Impreza 2.0. This is a 2.5 and this is supposed to be a 2.0. That doesn't mean anything because the 2.0, 2.5 is the bore size. Like if you're getting a block, that'll matter. But the crank doesn't. A lot of people don't know that. They don't believe you can put a 2.5 crank and this is exactly the same. Same weight, same measurements everywhere. It's exactly the same. Getting back to Subaru, Subaru says 2014 Impreza non-turbo 2.0 crank, same part number. That's what it fits. So and then that means this will fit. Okay, and meantime this is so much cheaper. Okay, and you could do that with a lot of parts. You can do that with they have parts. For instance, I have a crankshaft for a GMC Canyon, right? $1,500 they want for the crankshaft. Now, the Isuzu has an Isuzu pickup. I think it's the 3.7. All right, you can get the same. It's the same exact motor for like half the price. But like I said, you got to be careful. These are critical parts. You have to look on the factory site, not a site that's on YouTube or not YouTube on. You punch it up and it says, oh, this site will give you what fits. You just go right to the factory site of what you're trying to buy and see what parts fit, because not one part only fits one vehicle. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, perfect example was this a case. No one had this crank. It was like $500. Somebody had one. They're about $600 new. Somebody had one. It was messed up. And then you see all these other different, like for instance, this won't fit an Outback. But how I know that is like I just told you, go to the site and it tells you what fits. So I bought this for $150. Thing is like brand new. All right, it save yourself money. In case you may not know that, a lot of people, a lot of mechanics may know that, but the do-it-yourself guys may not know that. So that's why I made this. And the same thing can go for electrical parts. It can go for a lot of things. What you do is you go to the site where they made your car, the factory site. You get your part numbers and see what it fits. And that's how you get your parts. All right, then you can get them cheaper. All right, guys, I figure I'll make that video, save you guys money. So please subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions, leave them below. I answer all my questions pertaining to the video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I really appreciate you guys for watching.